Before loading, the machine needs to be transported in several parts, so the screws on both sides have been removed, and the user needs to reinstall them.
Today we disassemble this machine and please net the message to us and we will contact you. Wait a moment, okay? And now we need to disassemble this machine, and tomorrow morning we will loading this machine and sending out. We teaching. We shoot the teaching video for our customers. Let them to install this machine when we receive the machine. This is the photo cooler for the bottom knob. Our test system install center